Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome Untitled blank page. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that will help you with our topic in this video. If you're trying to open up a new tab and it just shows Untitled on the tab and it doesn't open up the page, what you're going to do is to right click on your Google Chrome app and go to Properties, and you need to go to the Shortcut tab right here. And we're going to type in some words after the last quotation mark. We're going to type in some words after the last quotation mark. So first, you're going to have to tap on your space bar, do a dash, type in no, another dash, type in sandbox, and click on apply at the bottom, and click on OK. Once you've done that, restart your computer, reopen Google Chrome, and that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.